Hello and what's up guys, I welcome you to the 9th video of the series HTML and CSS full course for beginners. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you break a statement into two parts and how can you create a separation with a line. Okay, so let me write a paragraph. Inside this I will write here, hello, what's up guys. Okay, and if I want to show this what's up guys below this hello, then how can I do that? I can do that using br tag, br for break. Okay, if I will write here br, now you can see hello and then what's up guys. Okay, so in this way you can use it. And if I want to separate this two using hr tags, then if I will write here hr, now you can see we have a horizontal line like here. Okay, so in this way you can also separate your texts. Okay, you can use this hr here also. If I write here hey hr, now you can see another horizontal line right here, and below this I can write here welcome to Dude 9. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this, and most probably we don't use this br and hr tag. Okay, we use it according to our requirements. So see you guys in the next video.